Hey, welcome back to Butter Technology here on YouTube. Today I'm actually taking a look at a client's computer. I didn't think to record the actual diagnosing session, but I have this Asus E410M laptop here, and it just wasn't turning on at all. So after some diagnosing, I figured out it was the battery to figure that out. I had it plugged in, it wasn't doing anything. I tried to remove the battery, plug it back in, and it turned right on, meaning the battery itself was bad, which this is the battery. I did already replace this, but I did record it, so I'm going to let you watch that now. And if you are in need of a battery for your Asus E410M, I will put an affiliate link to that down in the description of this video, as well as an affiliate link to the tool set that I used to do this. Okay, to install this battery, I'm actually going to be using my Haichika electric screwdriver set here. This battery does come with a full set of screwdrivers of any type you might need, as well as its own little pry tool, but my Haichika kit has everything I need, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. So I did already remove the old battery, which is how I actually got the model number, so I could find a good suitable replacement. So I will just get this removed and install the new one. And if you're wondering what my post-it notes here are for, they are just blocking important data, such as serial numbers and stuff like that. So really what you're going to need to do is remove the back panel, which you'll see in this one takes several screws all around the outside. And my Hachika kit actually comes with this little bin for me to set the screws into. Okay, so now that all the screws are out on this specific model, there is the edge here. You just have to pry it apart. Some of them you have separate panels that you can pick off. And then the toolkit that I have actually includes this nice little pry tool that makes this really quick and easy as well. So if you are going to do this yourself, I would recommend grabbing the same toolkit that I have. Okay, so the battery actually goes right here. And I have put the screws back into the slots for that, just so I didn't lose them. The new battery does not come with screws, so we'll need to keep track of those. But removing the battery was as easy as unplugging this cable right here, and then unscrewing these 4 screws. There we go. So now that that's done, we will just set this in place, attach this cable, which makes sure you attach it the right direction. It should only actually go in one way, but black is negative, red is positive. Set it down in place. There we go. And now you just screw all the screws back in, plug it in, and you are good to go. Now that the new battery is in, you can see that the computer is booting up. So, job done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on this process, be sure to leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Want to help you out here. Thank you so much for watching and you guys have a great day.